Hey, it's Joseph at Loud Person Motors in Spokane, Washington. You can always reach me at 509-389-6899. This is our 2007 GMC Sierra truck. It's a diesel with the Allison transmission. 143,000+ miles on it. In great shape. Now, what I understood was this is the last year that you could get the diesel engine without having to use or to maintain with some sort of an additive into the engine. Equipped to pull a fifth wheel, the previous owner had pulled a 27-foot trailer, and you can see in the back has the connections there. No extra cost for the jumper cables. So you can pull easily twice as much as that. He did not. He ended up trading this in to buy a Jeep to pull behind his motorhome. There you go, you can see the Allison transmission, Duramax 2500 HD. A great rig. You get anything you need done with this thing. You will be the friend with the truck, which means you're obligated to help people move. Get a quick peek at the inside here, if I can. Alright, here's the back seat. I mean, really, for 143,000 miles, doesn't really look very used at all, does it? It is a power sliding rear window. It is broken. You can see that. An estimated $600 to repair. Front seat, heated seats, power everything, auto lights, your four-wheel drive system, so 4 high, 4 low, 2 low, or 2 high rather, excuse me. He did do the leveling thing. Sorry, I don't know more technical stuff about it, but so the front is the same level as the rear. Right? So, you've probably got questions, I've got answers. You can reach me at 509-389-6899. You can email me, and you'll see the little bubble pop up in just a second here. 2007 GMC 2500 heavy duty diesel Sierra SLT Z71 package. Joseph at Loud Person Motors. Hope to see you soon.